Oh, thanks.
There you go, keep it moving. Got a gas line out.
It's one wicked road, you gonna make it right. You found your way to go, you gonna take that ride.
We're just gonna keep it, you know, as mahalo as we can. Good vibes out there. Everyone's having a good time, and it's gonna be a fun little throwdown with the boys.
It's like 11 and we're already drinking and skiing, and nobody cares about taking anything serious. We're just here to have beers and have a good time.
Thus far, 3 days deep, we've already seen shenanigans that can only be matched by a group of drunken pirates. But here today, we're going to see some actual athletic prowess displayed on this course.
Age-old tradition of the backflip tiebreaker. It goes back to like the 3rd century BC.
Superman front flip from Banks Gilberti. And look at that, a tail slide on the Swiss 360.
And here comes the cracked out Ronald McDonald once again riding his little sled, if I'm not mistaken.
They are burning Toy Soldiers Productions camo and ammunition. Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen.
That's how we roll.
There are, of course, rules out there. Fireworks and fire lead to disqualification. Now, one thing that we can all respect about the kids is they are nonconformists.
Look at the unity. Oh! Here
This is the best day of my whole life. Did my first triple flip. This is just the most progressive event out there. You know, just seeing stuff I've never done before. Had a great time. I've also been drinking, so it was awesome.
Rolled in, great opening party with the bowling. Yesterday, kids won the broomball tournament. Today, we actually managed to be the first ever team disqualified from the biggest party contest in the world. We got level 1 winning it. We got Mahalo coming in 2nd, and the Traveling Circus got handed a 3rd place. Best time of my life. Love Orage Masters. See you next year.